Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you can't log in into your account in Facebook and in Messenger, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data. If you're using mobile data, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And also you can try to update your phone, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here software update, just open it, and now just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install these updates on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to update your apps. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Messenger, and also if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Messenger. And if it doesn't help you, just try to find here Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Facebook. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.